Hey, good evening, everyone. This is Misty here, and I posted here a couple weeks ago, I think it was, that I have exciting news. And so my exciting news is that I was contacted by Beebeecrafts, and they asked me if I would like to review and to create something with their products, and of course I said yes. One, because I love beading. I love making jewelry. My favorite thing to make is chunky charms, as you guys know. So I did say yes, and I picked out the items that I would like to work with, and I'm so excited about the things that I chose. Now, I got this package earlier today. I cut it open, and I took everything out of the bubble wraps and stuff like that. So we are going to go ahead and get started. Um, I started filming this just a few minutes ago, and my camera started glitching out, so I had to restart it over, which kind of bites. But you will find Beebeecrafts. They're linked down below. You will find all the links to the products that I got down below as well. So, again, I already had this unwrapped and doing a video, so, but everything that I got was wrapped in bubble wrap. You know, these here was in this bag, and then this was in this bag, so it was very well packaged. Very, very impressed by how, well they packaged their things, because you guys know that when you get things in the mail, sometimes the boxes or the envelopes are torn or whatever, and with the way that Beebeecrafts packs their stuff, you don't have to worry about it getting damaged. Plus they wrapped it really good in bubble wrap too. So, the first thing I want to show you, well, the first thing that I got was some 2-inch head pins. They are stainless steel, and I believe there is 50 in this pack. Now, you guys know me, I love making chunky charms, so I go through head pins like crazy. So I was really happy about getting some of these head pins, and being stainless steel, they're not gonna rust. So, and that is awesome. And for the price that you pay for these here, like these here were $3.80, and that is a fantastic price, because I can't find stainless steel here in my hometown for this price. So I was very, very pleased by that, and just still like crazed by how they package it. I have gotten so many things from different companies, and I've never had a company pack as good as Beebeecrafts is. So the other thing I got was 20 10 millimeter teal handmade round lampwork beads, silver foil on the inside. I got these. I have a chunky bracelet that I am making for a friend of mine, and I cannot pronounce the name of the disease, and I could try to pronounce it, but there ain't no way. I would not do it justice. But anyway, I'm making one for her, and I needed some teal beads, and I know these don't look quite teal on camera, but they really are teal. Very pretty. They are glass. I love the size of the hoe. If it'll even do it, and it won't. There we go. So I could use these to make a different kind of bracelet, thread, monofilament, whatever, and I could pass through several times without having any problems. So that is like a huge plus for me and for any beater. So very, very pretty. So there was 20 of these, and these here are $3.59. So, and finding teal, again, finding teal here in my hometown is like tough. I hardly can find them. So I was really happy about that. The other thing I got was these. Guys, these are clay beads, clear gemstone, cubic zirconia, crystals in them. These are 12 millimeter, and there is 100 pieces, and these were $3.99. Look at those. I am in love. Beautiful. And they just shimmer and shine. So for 100 of these for $3.99, that was an amazing deal. So, and I'm going to use these as well on my chunky charm for this here, for this particular one. And then I don't know, I've got an idea for a bracelet, so I may use these for that as well. So that was really an amazing deal, you guys. Absolutely amazing. So the other thing that I got was some awareness ribbons, and this is a 60-piece enamel awareness ribbons. These were $3.99. No, these were $9.30. You get 60 pieces. They come in this case. I absolutely love this case, you guys. And I got different kinds. This one here is, this looks like a peach. It's a pinkish coral kind of color. It's really nice. This here is red, and let me take one out, guys, and show you. Ow. My hands are so sore. I have been working on a bracelet for the last 2 days. So they are really nice in size. Not too big and not too small. Very, very good. And of great quality. Like a lot of times when you get these, you can bend them. And these here, not so much. So, and to find ribbons, excuse me. To find, I needed a teal ribbon, and I couldn't find them. And then when I did, they were like, one was like $5-6, and I ain't even trying to play that. So this here is white. And it's not going to show. There we go. It's not going to show. I just can't win for losing. So there's white. Here is the pink, and these are so pretty. They have angel wings on them, and a stone up at the top. Very beautiful. Love these. And then we have, these are just silver ones, and they do have some rhinestones in them. Very pretty. I really like those. Very nice. And this one here is, this one says hope on it, and I really like these because you get the silver ones, you can use it for whatever awareness. But I really like the ones that says hope on them. I think they are very, very pretty. And like I said, you get, you know, the plain ones, or you get these that, you know, says hope or strength or whatever. They can go for any kind of an awareness. Here is another white. Is that, I thought I had white. That is kind of a, this is kind of a cream color. This one here. Now that I pull out these white ones, it's like, yeah, okay. So, here is this one here. And this is white. I like it. I like it. Here is, this is the teal. This is the one that I needed. And like I said, I couldn't find these, and when I did, they were like $5-6, and that's just crazy. Is this, let me make sure I said it, did it right. Yeah, okay. This is the teal. Really like them. And I could make several different awareness bracelets or whatever. I have plenty here. And for the price I paid for them, I mean, the price of them, absolutely amazing. Seriously. These here are black. I like those two. And this one is, I think this is purple. And purple goes for cancer and all, but it also goes for Alzheimer's and dementia. Well, Alzheimer's. And my father had Alzheimer's. And I know a few people that, you know, their loved ones have it. So this would be great to make a little something for them, you know, in support, showing their support for, you know, finding a cure. And at least finding a cure for all these diseases. So, and again, this cool case. I love this case. And then it has the little ridges up top here. So, you know, your beads are not going to go in each compartment. They're going to stay right where you put them. So, now the last thing I want to show you, and I'm really excited about these, you guys. There is a 120 piece, 20 different style of antique bronze nickel-free iron filigree pieces, and these were $6.82. And look at the size of these things, you guys. Oh my goodness. Absolutely awesome. You get pieces like this. You get the butterflies, the owl. Put some crystals in there, and I've got some crystals, you guys, to put in there, put here on the wings, make a beautiful pendant. You know, you have two different styles of butterflies. Beautiful rose. There is these little pieces here I thought would be great to put on a journal. Or whatever you want to use them for. Don't have to be a journal. Here is a bigger one. You get these pieces here. Absolutely love these. You get this here. Be great for earrings. The leaves. Two different leaves. Wow. I'm like shocked. You get the big medallion filigrees. Love these. You get the smaller ones. You get the teardrops. The little flower ones. These are so cool. I absolutely love all of these. I was trying something here. Oh, I love it. Love it. Get this one. You get these here. You get these here. Let's see what other ones. Them. I showed you these. I don't know if I showed you them or not. Those pieces. Plenty of those. Showed you 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 the butterflies. I mean, these are just, it's just absolutely amazing the different things that you get in here. There's that one. I am like crazed over these roses. that one. I mean, just so many different things. I was kind of shocked not to see keys in here, but I ain't complaining, you guys. I absolutely, look at those. I absolutely love these. This one here, I love the detail on it. Beautiful pieces. So this is my Beebeecraft haul. Beautiful things. All of these filigree pieces are just absolutely gorgeous, and I can't wait to make something with them. I mean, the pendants, the earrings. I like big earrings. Okay, I like small earrings too, but you know, I love these. The packaging, you know, all of it, the prices. It got here pretty quick too, guys. Like, I think a week. That's it. And these come from China. So, a week to get them is pretty darn good for shipping, you know. Because anytime I order anywhere else, it's a month or 2 months or longer. So, a week is pretty fast. But I'm very, very, very pleased by everything that I got. And all of those ain't going to fit in that bag. Wasn't even the bag to come in. So, I thank you guys for being here and looking at all of this stuff. I hope you come back for my video that I will be doing. Also, please go check out Beebeecrafts. Pick up some of these things, especially these. These would be great for mixed media. Really, any of this stuff would be perfect for, you know, making dangles for journals, making jewelry, you know, rings, earrings, whatever, mixed media projects, you know, any of that. This stuff would be absolutely amazing, and for the price. So, anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a great rest of your evening and a great day tomorrow. And as always, goodbye, God bless, and I'll see y'all again soon.